Have you ever felt like no matter how much you eat, your muscles just aren't as strong as they used to be? Maybe you've tried walking more, lifting light weights, or adding more protein, but the results are still slow. For many people over 50, muscle loss sneaks up quietly. It's not just about strength, it's about balance, energy, and independence. And here's something surprising. What you put in your blender could play a role in how well your muscles respond. In today's video, we're diving into 5 smoothie ingredients that may support muscle health as you age. These aren't exotic or hard-to-find superfoods. In fact, you might already have them in your kitchen. We'll break down the science, explain how to use each ingredient, and show you how small tweaks can lead to lasting strength. Stay with us, because even one of these changes might make a real difference. Let's get into it. Ingredient 1. Greek yogurt, the creamy base that does more than taste good. You might already have this in your fridge. But did you know Greek yogurt is packed with complete protein and essential amino acids? According to Harvard Health, protein helps repair and build muscle, and Greek yogurt is a particularly rich source of leucine, a key amino acid involved in muscle protein synthesis. Try blending half a cup into your smoothie in the morning. It adds thickness, creaminess, and about 10-15 grams of high-quality protein, which could support your muscle recovery after a walk or light workout. Ingredient 2. Spinach. Not just for iron. We've all heard spinach is good for us, but here's something many don't know. Spinach contains natural nitrates, which may help improve muscle efficiency, especially in older adults. A study published in the Journal of Physiology found that dietary nitrates can support better muscle performance by enhancing oxygen use during exercise. Toss a handful of fresh spinach into your blender. You won't even taste it, but your muscles might thank you. Ingredient 3. Chia seeds. Tiny but mighty. These tiny seeds could be one of the most powerful additions to your smoothie. Chia seeds offer plant-based protein, fiber, and omega-3 fatty acids, which may help support muscle health and reduce post-exercise soreness. According to Mayo Clinic, omega-3s may help manage inflammation, something that becomes more important as we age. Soak 1 tablespoon of chia seeds in water for 10 minutes and then blend into your smoothie. It adds a slight crunch and tons of nutritional value. Ingredient 4. Berries. Nature's antioxidant powerhouse. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, whatever you have on hand. These colorful fruits are loaded with antioxidants, especially vitamin C and anthocyanins, which could help protect muscles from oxidative stress. Some studies suggest that antioxidants may support recovery and reduce muscle damage after physical activity. Add half a cup of mixed berries to your smoothie. Not only do they taste amazing, but they may also help your muscles bounce back faster. Ingredient 5. Nut butter, a smooth source of healthy fats and protein. Almond butter, peanut butter, or even cashew butter all offer a mix of protein and healthy fats that help keep you full and support your muscle-building efforts. Choose natural, unsweetened varieties to avoid added sugars. 1 tablespoon blended into your smoothie adds creaminess and about 4 to 5 grams of protein. Plus, the fats may help absorb fat-soluble vitamins from other ingredients in your smoothie. Now, let's take a moment to understand the root problem here. As we age, something called sarcopenia, a gradual loss of muscle mass, becomes more common. Starting as early as your 40s or 50s, you can lose about 1–2% of muscle every year. This affects balance, strength, and even metabolism. But here's the good news. While we can't turn back time, we can influence how we age. Staying active and choosing the right foods can support healthier muscles well into your 60s, 70s, and beyond. Smoothies are a convenient way to get concentrated nutrients without having to cook big meals. Let's review what we've covered. Greek yogurt gives you a high-quality protein base. Spinach supports oxygen flow to muscles. Chia seeds provide fiber and omega-3s that may help with inflammation. Berries deliver antioxidant protection. Nut butter adds healthy fats and protein for longer-lasting energy. Together, these ingredients may help you build a smoothie that supports muscle health in a delicious, manageable way. Just imagine how much stronger and more confident you could feel by making this one daily change. So what should you do next? If you found this helpful, consider liking the video to help others find it too. Drop a comment below. What do you usually put in your smoothies? And don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this one. We're here to support healthy aging, one simple habit at a time. Thanks for watching, and here's to stronger days ahead.